Let's see what is the difference between open source OS and closed source OS. In an open source OS, the source code is available for everyone to view, study, and modify. In a closed source OS, the source code is kept private and cannot be viewed or modified by users. An open source OS can usually be used without paying any license fee. A closed source OS often requires a paid license or commercial agreement. Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian are examples of an open source OS. Windows and macOS are examples of a closed source OS. An open source OS allows users to customize the operating system according to their needs. A closed source OS provides limited options for customization. An open source OS can receive improvements from both developers and community contributors. A closed source OS receives updates and improvements only from the owning company. An open source OS offers greater transparency because its internal working is publicly available. A closed source OS offers less transparency because its internal working is not disclosed to the public. An open source OS can be adapted to run on a wide variety of hardware and environments. A closed source OS usually follows the hardware and software requirements set by the vendor. An open source OS is useful for learning because its code and design can be examined. A closed source OS provides limited learning opportunities because its code is not accessible. In an open source OS, security issues can be identified and fixed by developers around the world. In a closed source OS, security fixes mainly depend on the company that owns the operating system. An open source OS is supported by community forums, documentation, and contributors. A closed source OS is mainly supported through official company channels. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.